Okay, so this is our program. We used these diagonal functions, so we didn't need to use so many turns and to calculate specific distances, but we could just put one block here and it would go to the position that we wanted. We had a few challenges because we could hit some walls, but this is why we positioned the robot before the diagonal line that it wouldn't hit the wall.
Our strategy was to first pick up the blue discs because they go on the left side. We went from left to right, and when we picked up the first blue ones, we then went for the green ones. And our strategy was to first place down the bottom one and the top right one, or on the left with the blue discs. And at the end, we moved the bottom red ones and top red ones to the position. And at the end of the program, the robot moves into the position that it needs to in the center of the four spaces.
We use this strategy for the order of disks because we didn't want to drive over the disks, so we didn't move them out of the places.